Hi guys, welcome back. I'm bored and I went and bought these green little panels here because I have been planning to do a plant wall right here behind me. And I haven't really had the time because I've been working nonstop. So I had a day off and I think this is the time to go ahead and put up the wall. I'm just gonna set the camera up, show you what I come up with because I bought a lot of accessories and everything. I had the time to do it, so I have these little butterflies that I've found on Amazon. I have a staple gun. I also got these lights from IKEA. Then I also have my grass panels, and I also have my neon sign, says good vibes. So I'm going to staple this onto the wall. I'm getting so far. It's coming along. This is what I'm coming up. I think I'm just gonna do the top layer first and then probably order some more grass panels and put it at the bottom and do the whole wall. But I only have like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 panels left to just do the top part, but I'm short, so I know I'm not gonna reach that. So I might put some at the bottom, so we'll see. But this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to add my good vibes, the butterflies and everything. So it's coming along. I also got this from Amazon, good vibes, and it lights up neon pink. It's very cute, but yeah, I'm gonna see if I can add this on just to see what it would look like. I'm gonna have to cut into the wall for this to stick on because it's not gonna stick on unless I have the nails longer that it could just sit on, but oh my gosh, and I just lost the thumbtack. Oh. Y'all. Yeah, this is gonna be a little tougher than I thought, putting the grass panels in. And I don't wanna like cut weird holes, but that's probably what I'm gonna have to do, so we'll see. Try and attempt to put my good vibes sign on. And I think with these zip ties that came with the grass shrubbery and then try and zip tie it on there maybe, we'll try and see. So we're going to attempt. I managed to get it on there because I tried using a clear thumbtack, but it was just too thick to, you know, get through there. Like it wouldn't reach the wall. You see what I'm saying? But you know, hey, I don't really mind it so much. It's just what I came up with. And that's what it looks like plugged up. So far, so good. And I'm actually really I'm loving it. You know, of course, except this part here, but I have to order more grass panels to cover it up and I need a ladder to get up there. But overall, this is what it's looking like. So now, I have my little butterflies. I have these. I also have like these transparent ones. And then I also have 2 sheets of these. And these are all from Amazon. And it comes with, honestly, I don't really know what these are, but these came with it, and I guess it's to help. Honestly, I don't know. I really don't know. So they're supposed to look like this, if you can see. It says, removing, peel the sticker off the wall carefully and store it on the bag sheet. This product is not a toy. It may present a choking hazard for small children. I was like, if all else fails, I did buy a glue gun, so I don't know, we're just gonna improvise. So I'm going to probably take this blue one here and peel it out. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at that. She's cute. She's cute, right? She's cute. Can you see her? Her name is Blue. Yeah, okay. All right, I'm going to try and attempt to put blue on the wall. She's on the wall. Ah! There she is. This is my first butterfly. So cute. Get it with the butterflies and the moths. I think it's so cute. And like I said, I have the lights. So once I get my batteries and stuff for the lights, I'm going to intertwine them. So it's gonna be more lit up. So I'm gonna add maybe some flowers, maybe different kinds or different variations of plants. So it's actually another day. I have found some lights, I think from either Home Goods, I don't know. Anyway, and then I got like these little flowers. I'll show you like these little hanging flowers and some more that I got from Michael's. Here it is. All my other flowers and stuff are there. I'm short, so I just needed the chair. But anyway, yeah, I got all these flowers, kind of different variations of colors, different like ferns and stuff, an extra grass panel, and just kind of cutting them. I actually need to buy some wire cutters, because these bad boys, I thought they were going to be easy to cut. Hell to the no. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just kind of placing them, just trying to see what would look good. Yeah, I created like these little water, or tried to attempt to do these little water droplets with my hot glue gun. And now I'm just hot gluing these leaves around, and then probably just going to maybe put it on this side. I don't know. I'm just kind of building the sides of the wall a little bit before I go inward. So this is kind of, you know, this is where I'm getting to. So, yep.